What's going on, guys? It's me, Vince, with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about one of the mods that I've had a lot of people ask me about how I did it and where I got it and what's its purpose. So this one, I'm going to be talking to you guys about these. So people are actually asking me where I got these and how I did it and what it's for. So basically, when you buy your Tacoma, it's gonna have this L bracket right here. And keep in mind, it's only gonna have it on the passenger side. It's not gonna have it on the driver's side. So what I did is I actually just removed this bracket and have somebody fabricate exactly the same kind of bracket. Keep in mind, I went to a Toyota dealership and asked for this specific part, and I think the guy told me it's about, I don't know, $120 or $150 just for this bracket. So that was insane. I wouldn't spend that much money for just this little piece. So like I said, I had somebody fabricate the same exact bracket and had them make the holes a little bit bigger, because the hole as is wouldn't fit this D-ring, so you got to make that hole a little bit bigger. And purpose, I believe this tie down right here, it's not meant to be used for towing. I think it's, like I said, it's just a tie down for transporting the truck, but like I said, keep in mind, it's not used for towing. How I did it with this D-rings is purely for aesthetics. I just want to have that look where, you know, when you buy a steel bumper, you can put these D-rings on the front. I think most of the steel bumpers out there have like slots for D-rings, but I don't have the budget yet to get a steel bumper, so that's why I did this. But like I said, it's purely for aesthetics, for the look. I don't know if you dig it or not, but I surely do. So yeah, that's pretty much the purpose of it for me. But in general, like I said, this bracket here is just for tie down. It's not for towing, so don't use it for towing just in case you get stuck. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and hope I answered all of your questions. If you still have more questions and whatnot, feel free to comment and just message me. And yeah, feel free to hit the like button as well. And thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.